Hello! So, අද අපි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ගෙනල්ලා තියෙන්නේ unboxing video එකක්. අද අපි unbox කරන්න යන්නේ Sony family එකෙන් release කරමු latest camera model එක. ඒක තමයි A7R5 කියන camera එක. මේක multi-purpose camera එකක්, one of the top of the range camera එකක්. Let's just get into the box and see what we have inside. Starting off with, I think that's a cable protector. Straps, more plugs, that's another charging cable, charging hub, and then finally we are gonna check out the beast, and here it is. So මේ camera එක 61 megapixel camera එකක්. මේකේ මම බලන්න ආසම වෙලා හිටිය feature එක තමයි මේකේ තියෙන multi tilt feature එක. මේකේ tilt කරන්න පුළුවන් display එක. Also මේක multi angle touch screen එකක්. මේක තමයි මම බලන්න ආසාවෙම හිටිය මේ camera එකේ තියෙන feature එක. So මේ camera එකේ තියෙන තව feature එකක් තමයි මේකේ තියෙන AI based real time tracking එක තියෙන auto focus system එක. ඒකත් එක්කම මේකේ 8K video කරන්න පුළුවන් 24 frames per second, 4K video කරන්න පුළුවන් 60 frames per second, ඒ වගේම full HD ගන්න පුළුවන් 120 frames per second in a 10-bit video quality. Okay, so this unit comes with two card slots. One is the CF Express and then the other is the ASD card. One of the other key features of this camera is the 8-stop 5-axis image stabilization, which makes this camera a well-rounded camera for both video and photography. So we can't wait to show you what this camera could do for you in terms of photography and videography, and stay tuned for that video on CameraLK YouTube channel. We'll be back with another full-fledged video of this A7R5 camera. Until then, thank you for watching CameraLK YouTube channel. If you ever want to check any prices of any of the products that we offer, log into www.cameralk.com, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel so you'll be always updated about all our info and all the videos.